Some of you will be aware that I've been working with a perfume company for a while now, and I've been bringing their product to you over and over again, and I don't want it to be overwhelming for some of you. Yes, I collaborated with them again today, and the reason why I'm saying this is because I don't want you all to think that she's always talking about dossier. Yes, it is worth talking about because they are very affordable. They are not fake. They are not dupes. They are just tailored. They are just tailored or inspired by those high-end perfume that we always want to purchase, you know. And that's why I like to introduce this video this way, to let you know that this video is sponsored by Dossier Perfume. Once again, thank you so much for partnering with me to do this video today. And they have a new information that they really want me to share with you, and that's the reason why I want to share that information with you at the beginning of this video before going into the perfume that I'm going to be sharing and also the styling of the leather pants.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, stop. Take it easy.
Welcome back, ladies. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So this video is going to be how to style a leather pants in different ways for the fall. So aside from my discount code I'm going to be leaving in the description box, and also the link that will lead you to Dossier's Perfume website, this information that they want me to share with you, I decided to read it from the email because I don't want to misquote them or give you wrong information. Dossier has a new payment method that lets you earn stock credits. At the checkout point, when you're at your last step to checkout, you will select catch. You will select that, and that will enable you to earn $10 sign-on bonus credits. You will get rewarded with 10% stock credit on every order. All that I mentioned are their new method of appreciating their customers. I will leave the rest of the information, and this one that I mentioned also is going to be in the description box, just in case if you don't get it right. Of course, you can always read it in my description box. So ladies, the perfume that I'm going to be presenting first is called Flora Peony, and this one is inspired by Chloe. It's 15% concentration. This has the top note, the middle notes, and the base note on the card, likewise on the bottle. You all know how I feature this on my channel over and over again. The cap is magnetic, it's 50 ml, and we're going to experience this perfume together. Every information, the one I mentioned already, are going to be in the description box. All right, you don't want to sleep on this perfume. I'm going to try this on my wrist. Like I mentioned, they are not fake, they are not dupes. They are inspired by high-end perfume. They are very affordable. It's like you own your own luxurious item without breaking a bank. And they are risk-free purchase in the sense that oh god, this is so sweet. This is really sweet. Oh my god, this is so, ladies, I don't know how else to say it. Like, if you don't try any other perfume that I've mentioned before, try this Flora Peony. Like, try it out, ladies. It smells so fresh, so luxurious, so feminine. Oh my god, it's amazing. I do not want to prolong this matter. You all have heard about Dossier Perfume before. Risk-free purchase. If you don't like it, if you don't get the experience you're expecting, you can return them back to them and they will send back your money. You don't have to worry about it at all. This Flora Peony, inspired by Chloe, it's amazing.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive, get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight.
And this is the second bottle. It's the same as the first one, you know, talking about the size and the color. They kind of look alike. It's funny, right? They kind of look alike. This one is like white. The first one I presented, the Flora Peony, it's white, and this one has a little bit of tint of another color in it, but it looks like white too, right? And this one is Aquatic Peony. Like, it's just like, you know, I think I'm doing the peony today. I'll put it on the screen just for you to be able to get the pronunciation right and the spelling as well. Top notes, middle notes, base notes are going to be on the screen. They are on the card, also on the bottle. Yeah, I don't want to I do not want to waste too much time about this one. I sprayed the other one here, which I can still Evan, oh my god, I so much love this scent. I recommend you try this. If you have not tried any other one that I've recommended for you before, try this. The link is going to be in the description box. I'm telling you, you're going to thank me. Let's go into the second one. All right, and this one is called Aquatic Peony. This one is inspired by Giorgio Armani, and this one is 15% concentration. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the card because I have it here. I have the first one on my wrist, so I don't want it to mix up. Let's experience this together. Oh my god. Oh Lord. As in, don't sleep on this. Give them a try, ladies. Give them a try. Of course, I know they sponsor this video, but I'm very passionate with what I'm telling you right now. You all know I will tell you how I feel. My reviews, I don't lie. I will tell you if it is good, if it's not good, what I like about it, what I don't like about it. So far, so good with Dossier Perfume. I can't really tell you that I don't like anything. This one inspired by Giorgio Armani, and this is inspired by Chloe. Both of them are 15% concentration. Ladies, don't sleep on Dossier Perfume. Period.
You prey on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you're innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You're misbehaving. You must have known me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Thumbs it down better, making me lose my mind, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow. Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window.